Namaskar classes. Today I will teach you fundamental concept and operations. Exercise 12. So first of all I will teach you about constant and variables. What are the constants? Constant are terms used in algebraic expression whose value is fixed, who is having fixed value. For example, 4, 5, 6, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, these are fixed value and never change. So these fixed values are used in algebraic expression. So these are called constant. And variable means x, y, z. A term used in algebraic expression has more values, different values are called variables like x, y, z, etc. Okay, I am reading a term in algebra having a fixed value called a constant, where a symbol which can be assigned different values is called a variable. Different x may be 2, 3, 4, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4. In one equation value of x is 2, in another equation value of x is 1 upon 2, in another equation value of x equal to 100. So these have different values. So these are called variables. Okay. Algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variables connected by the sign plus, minus, division or multiplication is called an algebraic expression. For example, 3x minus 5y plus x square or 3x square plus 5x plus 5. Okay, means a combination of constant and variable 3 and x square, combination of 3x square by the sign of multiplication, addition, subtraction and division is called multiply and divide is called an algebraic expression. Okay, for example, this and 3x square minus xy minus 2, these are algebraic expression. Okay, now polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression in which variable have non-negative integral exponent. Non-negative integral exponent means a variable which has power as a positive integer, which has exponent as a positive integer like 2, 3, 4, 6 or 7 and so on. And it is polynomial. 2x square plus 5x plus 7 is polynomial. Why? Because its power is pi to integer 2. 7 plus 5y plus y to the power 5 upon 7 is not polynomial because term with power 5 upon 7 and it is not positive integer. Like if power is 5x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x, it is not positive integer, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because variable has negative power, it is negative power. Okay, it is negative integer, power is negative integer, so it is not polynomial. So again I am making you understand that a polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the variable have non-negative integral exponent. Exponent means power. Okay. Monomial. What is monomial? A polynomial which has one term is called monomial. A polynomial which has one term is called monomial. A polynomial which has two terms is called binomial. A polynomial which has three terms is called trinomial. Now, degree of a polynomial in one variable. If the polynomial is in one variable, then the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Okay, is called degree of x square x to the power 3 plus 4x square plus 2. So degree of this polynomial is 3. Degree of this polynomial is 3. Like x to the power 8 power 2 4a plus 1. Degree of highest power is 2. So degree is 2. Okay.